Hey everybody, I have a pressure washing job tomorrow, so I have to get stuff ready. So I'll just show you what I'm gonna be taking, and it's not really a job; it's more of doing it for our church. One of my friends from church, he's a member of the church. He's gonna be picking me up tomorrow around 8:30 or so, so that we can go pressure wash. He has a pressure washer, so I have to take the hose cart with me. I need to get another hose on it, and I'm taking my. I don't think I've ever showed you this before, but I have a gas pressure washer. It's just a Troy-Bilt one, 2700 psi, 2.3 GPM. It's powered by a Briggs & Stratton Professional Series engine. It's a really good pressure washer. It has an onboard soap tank, which is kind of cool too. But yeah, it's a really cool pressure washer. It's a really good. I think for what I use it, I only use it a couple times a year, so it's not like it's getting daily, weekly use or anything. But I've changed oil twice in it because I've had it for 5 years or something, and I use it 3 or 4 times a year, or maybe probably 5 or 6 times a year actually. But that's what I'm taking tomorrow. And I need to take my hose reel, because I'm gonna hook up the hose for the hose at church, and I need to find a hose splitter so that he can hook up to a hose for his pressure washer. And I'm also taking that pump sprayer right there, because with the sidewalk we're cleaning at our church, it's covered in algae and stuff. So I found we were at Publix a couple days ago, and I found this stuff that has bleach in it, but it's outdoor cleaner, which is kind of cool. So outdoor bleach cleaner, and it's like a gallon jug or something, or yeah, almost a gallon. But this is the stuff I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna mix it up in the pump sprayer with some water, and then spray it right on the sidewalk and clean that. So I need to find a hose splitter for this, and so yeah, I need to find a hose splitter for this, and I think I have one in the garden, but it's on my redneck end cap for my irrigation system I made. Need to find the end cap I bought. There it is. Just gotta get it. Here's the end cap. I have poly supply line in my garden for irrigation, and I had made an end cap with a hose splitter and the thing that you use to connect it to like a hose connection. It's basically this, just with a thing that you can screw onto a hose. So I figured I couldn't go to Home Depot the day I was kind of in a pinch had to do it quickly, but I couldn't go to Home Depot that day to get a cap for it. So I had to just find some parts and make an end cap for a temporary deal. It's starting to rain, so I need to do this. This is the other hose I'm going to take with me. I need to put, if it doesn't start raining on me, I'll show on video, putting this on the hose reel. And I need to find another hose to take also, for the person I'm working with to connect to for his pressure washer. I think I'll take that one over there. I'll see if there's any ants in it, because that thing's been sitting over there for a while, but I'll see if there's any ants in it and take it for a hose. So this is my redneck end cap. This is the thing I was telling you about. It's a hose splitter that I just kind of closed off one end and put the start thing on. Like this would connect to a hose like I have one over here. This is the part, and it just connects to the hose here, and the poly line just goes into it. Then it's buried and goes in the garden, but and I need to take that with me to spray off the sidewalk and stuff, but so yeah, let me find a place to set you up so you can see, or something to set you on. Oh, here's something I can set you on. Alright, I'm going to set you up on this thing here, so that you can see what I'm doing. There. Now here's the thing, here's the hose splitter. I'm just going to pull it out, pull the pipe out of this. Oh, that's nice. And then here's my new end cap. I just have to push it on the end, and I'm done. So I'm just gonna stick this up here for now. And so I got there's a little bit of water in the end, so kind of got wet a little bit. But let's see. There we go. And I'll wash this off later. So I'll come back with the hose cart and get the hose back there for take to church. And you know what? I'll probably just put those in the truck that this guy has instead of putting them on the hose cart. It'll be a little easier than winding them up on the hose cart, because it'll make it way more. And it can only hold like 200 feet of hose, and those are like 250-foot hoses. But anyways, so I will put this inside. I'll wash this off and put it inside to take. And I need to get the wagon and get the stuff or the hoses, I should say. I'll just put that right there for now. I can find a rag to wipe my hands off. Or more, wipe my leg off. There. Just throw that out. Alright, let's see. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Our neighbor was out. But, so I decided not to use this green splitter here, because I had a brass one on my hose cart. So I decided to just use this one instead. It's kind of better. So I'll just set that right there for now. Put this little sprinkler over here. So now we can go to the back and get get those hoses ready for, or get them out, I should say. Again, get them loaded on the wagon. So I need to go get a tripod real quick to set you guys on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got a tripod for the hammer. So I can set it on the wagon or something like that. Let's see. Guess my neighbor went in. Just get this stuff going. So let's see where we can hook this on here. Sorry if this is kind of boring to watch. I'm just trying to get this tripod hooked on here so it won't fall off. Neighbor's back out. I'll be right back. I gotta wait for him to leave. Sorry about that. Our neighbor is out. It's kind of odd to be recording when he's out because... Anyways, got everything cleaned out of the basket on here. So it can go in the back of a pickup truck and nothing flies out. So I will hook up my camera here somewhere so that it'll stay on and not fall off. There. See if that's good. Alright. So we're gonna go get these two hoses right now. I'm just closing the garage door. Or my shop door, I should say. Because that's certainly where there is. I'll just carry you because it's gone. It is going to just bounce around everywhere. So here's one of my hoses. It's a Goodyear hose. We're just gonna get this loaded up in the wagon. Let's see if I can get the camera to stay on the side here. And that'll be the only hose I bring actually, because we have a hose over at church that I'm going to use also. So we'll take this back and get everything ready. Check the oil and the pressure washer and stuff like that. weed came from. Whatever. Alright, so I probably won't get any video of pressure washing tomorrow because I don't know if this person wants to be on video. But, I will possibly show it, like, just do a little quick video of how clean it is on my phone, with my phone. I doubt I will because, my phone takes pretty crappy video. And it looks like we are about to get some rain. I just heard some thunder, so. Anyways, let me get a couple other things I need to take to church. This is the bag of the bleach and stuff. I'm not taking the wagon to church because it's like 10 miles away. I'm just saying everything in the wagon, so don't write any comments about that. Yes, I know it's in the wagon. I'm just doing this so I don't forget where, or what I need to bring, I should say. I'm going to take these hose fittings too. Alright, so that's what I'm doing tomorrow. So I probably won't have any videos up tomorrow. I haven't done any in a while because I've been kind of busy. But if you have any questions, write a comment below the video. As always, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.